Welcome back to IFX Academy today. Now it's on pound USD guys. Yesterday guys we were selling this. We had some initial success, but our target was too far away. The base did not have enough power, so the price broke above that resistance. Now it's turning that resistance into support, which is clear as day that this is bullish. And so guys, as long as price is above 1.36703 guys, we are bullish. And my target guys would be, anyways guys, my first target would be yesterday's high, which is located at 1.37137. Guys, my next target would be 1.37882. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this, and I will add a bearish target as well. And guys, if this support stops working, we start selling, and I have two targets for that as well. First one is 1.36418, and guys, the next one is 1.36053. So please take care guys. Hope you guys make a lot of money, and see you guys tomorrow.